My name's Coco. I'm here to talk to you about my fine jewelry company, Coco de Salazar, which I began in 2020, and it's been a long journey. I first started taking metalsmithing courses in 2011 at Miami-Dade College with Maureen Shanky. I then continued my jewelry education at Jewelry Creations Workshop, which is a school in Miami that's closed since due to COVID, but I was able to take jewelry courses with master jewelers such as Chris Darway and Wayne Werner. After 5 years of taking classes, I began TAing, and I had my own studio space in the building. In 2017, I expanded to teaching metalsmithing courses at Jewelry Creations Workshop, focused on fabrication, soldering, stone setting, and chain making. Community involvement in work has always been an important part of my jewelry making practice, so at this point, I wanted to give back to my community as an artist that teaches. I taught community jewelry making classes at Lotus House, a women's shelter in Miami, as well as North Miami Beach Elementary for students grades K through 8. I completed an artist residency at Manor Contemporary Miami and taught community metalsmithing classes out of my jewelry studio there. 2017 through 2020, I worked out of my own studio, produced several lines of jewelry, exhibited in several gallery spaces during Art Basel Miami, and in 2018, a collection of mine was showcased at the FIU Frost Museum for an LGBTQ fashion show as part of the celebration of the Art of Stonewall exhibit. During this time, I also founded the Women's Jewelry Association Miami chapter, which grants over $300,000 a year to women in the jewelry industry, whether for business or for education funds. In 2019, I received the Jewelry Design and Technology Scholarship with an emphasis on CAD modeling, which enabled me to move to New York City as part of the Gemology Institute of America's year-long program. Upon completing the year-long course, I changed my production method from one in the studio to where I designed most of my pieces in CAD on the computer, and I now have them casted and then finished by hand. I conduct all aspects of my business locally and avoid outsourcing overseas. I work with recycled precious metals when I can. I buy precious and semi-precious stones from gem dealers in the city, and I use local 3D printers and casters. Outside of bridal, I do not work with non-lab grown diamonds, sapphires, emeralds, or rubies. My business ethics are an important part of my work to me. I'm ready to invest in my company and give Co & Co the push it needs to generate more online business. That's why I'm applying for this grant.